guys, welcome back. We're obviously at POWERTUNE and it's been a wild kickoff to this year. So with me being back here, I'm obviously helping do as much as I possibly can here at the shop. And there is quite a few new little roles that I've gathered together, which is pretty cool. But anyway, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on everything that's happening here at the shop because it is busier than ever. So we'll start with this one. 34 GTT RB26 swap. And yeah, as you can see, it's absolutely freaking gorgeous. Everything has been redone. And yeah, it's just a full pristine freaking build. Like everything's been redone. And if you can spot something in here that isn't, like the coilovers, that's pretty much it. Even the overflow, the washer bottle, sorry. Is it the washer bottle or is it overflow? One of them. Anyway, it's done. Frenchie's aircon kit, alternator kit. It's all like freaking brand new. And then, yeah, I can't show you what's happening behind there. That's top secret. That's obviously where my cars are too. 32 GTR in here for a tune. This immaculate S15, this thing is freaking gorgeous. I love this car, but it even gets better. I'm gonna be doing a full video on this bad boy, SR20V, and yeah, this one's all the way from Adelaide. It's filthy. Sorry about that, Gary. This one here, 32 GTR, absolute stonker of a build. We actually didn't do this one. It come to us to get tuned and a few other things cleaned up. Yeah, another freaking 1200 horsepower weapon. VL resto going on. This thing's going all the way back to original. I've been trying to source parts for it and keep that one kicking along. We had a Golf in here. This thing makes like freaking 500-600 horsepower. So we got this, the gold 35 that I made the last video about. No introduction needed. This thing is an absolute weapon, and we haven't even turned the wick up completely yet, but that is coming. And then there's another GTR 35 here getting redone. Another ridiculous build, but yeah, I can't show you what's happening over that way, so we'll avoid that. All right, let's go next door. Ciao. All right, what's up guys? We're in the other side now. Clearly, it's a different day. Ran out of time on the day I started filming. And yeah, just catching up now on a Sunday. So, over this side we have Rodent, the infamous little Yaris. It makes 750, almost 800 horsepower, freaking front wheels. We actually blew this thing up the other night on live Facebook and Instagram. So if you missed that, it's still on there. And yeah, we tested the limits of a standard engine. So it was a bone stock bottom end. And yeah, we ended up with like 140, 160 horsepower, shot a NOS and disintegrated the piston. We haven't pulled the engine out yet, but we're doing that very soon. Going to inspect what broke exactly, upgrade that, and back into it. But yeah, the fact that these things can flow 800 plus horsepower, yeah, it blew our mind. And we know it can do it. We just need to make it strong enough to handle it. So we have it. Evo 10 here. This one's in for a little bit of R&D. Don't know exactly. I'm sort of kept out of the loop with those little things. So probably for good reason, so I don't tell you guys. I'll have to be careful on a couple of things in here. We have an Audi, which seems to be the flavor of the month. I'll cut to another Audi that we've got. It's next door now, but it was just on the dyno with Ryan. I'll cut to it right now because the power it makes is just stupid. That's silly, isn't it? It's just freaking crazy. 5-cylinder freaking Audis. Anyway, the S15, which I showed you next door, is now on the hubs. We're just doing some running Ks on it. And then I believe Chia will be doing the final tune, and then it gets shipped back to its home state, which is South Australia. We've got a bit of an iconic Holden in the shop. I know zip about these things. I just know they're really expensive and they have a V8. This one's come in for the classic, just needs a tune. and yeah, we found a whole heap of just little issues that we're resolving and fixing up, so it can be a nice cruiser and won't have any issues. So yeah, it's just having like just stalling all the time and stuff. Yeah, just a few little bits and bobs here, there, and everywhere. This car, which is going to get a massive video on its own, the famous K-swapped twin charged, that's right, twin charged S15. Finally got the TEs on it, put some rubber on it, and yeah, it's looking damn good. So there's some really good shots on the POWERTUNE Facebook page. Thanks to Ved. He's been working his magic as always. I don't want to tell you guys just yet, but I finally got my dream car. I wish. 34 GTR, midnight purple, 2 or 3. I think it's 3 because it goes like orangey. Anyway, this one's come in. Customer wants 1,000 horsepower. So Aussie's just taken a few things off of it in order for come Monday. I have ordered a precision turbo. That's right, we are now a dealer of precision turbo. So if you guys want a really good flipping price on a precision turbo, hit me up. Give me a buzz here at POWERTUNE Australia. So we're going to use a Gen 2 6870 RTEC manifold. Then we're going to use absolutely nothing out of that box. Turbo Smart. So we've got fuel pressure reg, blow off valve, wastegate. And interesting fact about Turbo Smart, I don't know if everyone's aware of this, but they now make titanium weld-on flanges. That's right. So if you want to kit out your whole car with titanium, which is inside this box, we can do that. And we also have all the flanges, whatever else, to fabricate it up and make it look freaking pretty. So this thing used to be actually white, I believe. And now it's, yeah, it's all the midnight purple. Yeah, there's a few little marks that we noticed. Obviously, whenever, or whoever did this paint job wasn't the carefulest when they put it back together. So it's a bit of a shame, because as we're doing it, like stripping it down, we've got to take pictures of everything that we're finding, just so the customer knows it wasn't us. But yeah, it's all part of the game. Obviously, fab room out there, engine room. We have 7 engines to build in the next 2 weeks. Abdul has no idea yet, but yeah, I've been busy getting everything, not everything ready, but just trying to get parts and stuff so that can just sort of keep rolling along. And then we have a R33 GTS 4. So this thing is all-wheel drive, and yeah, it's had the full house done. It's got drag slicks. I'm assuming that's what's intended for this thing. It's going to be another roll racing or just fun car. It's got a little Bobby turbo on it, so it's definitely not going to win roll racing, but it should be good fun. And that's pretty much it. Wiring room's the same. That's where I am today editing. And yeah, that's a nice little update. There's a few cars I missed in the last couple of days because we finished them, got them out. But that's just, yeah, been too busy. Sorry, guys. So, hope you enjoyed the update. As I said at the start, I am here now full time. And I'm going to try my best to keep videos cranking along here, because the builds that come in and out of here are next level, as you guys know. And from all the past videos I've made from here, it's always been freaking awesome. So appreciate the feedback, guys. We'll be back very soon. See yous.